Welcome to Mazda BT-50 Tech Drive. I'm Mark and we're here in the rolling hills of regional Victoria with the Mazda BT-50. During this series, we'll go through some how-tos, some top tips and some features on how you can get the most out of your Mazda BT-50. If you're driving in particularly harsh conditions, whether it's a lap around the country or a tour of the top end, you may find yourself having to replace the wiper inserts a little sooner than the standard service schedule. When replacing the wiper rubbers on the Mazda BT-50, you must put the vehicle into a service mode. This information can be found in your owner's handbook, however, I'm going to demonstrate it to you now. Firstly, we need to ensure that the bonnet is completely closed. If you attempt to do this when the bonnet is ajar, you do risk damaging the bonnet with the wiper arm contacting the bonnet itself and damaging the paint. So what I need to do now is ensure that the wiper itself is turned to the off position. Once I've confirmed that, all I need to do on this vehicle is push the button and cycle the vehicle to on and off. The ignition switch to on and off, and now I pull back on the washer switch and we can see that the wiper arms have now gone into a park position, which is known as service mode. Raise the arm off the windshield, release the locking tab and you're ready to replace that wiper arm. Once you have installed the new wiper arm and you've released the locking tab, pull on the arm to ensure it's locked in position, then you can safely lower that wiper arm back onto the windshield. Wiper arms will stay in service mode until you command them to operate normally. And there is a 1 minute default time when you put them into service mode. So if you do change your mind, you will have no operation for approximately 1 minute. If you want to know how to get more out of your ute, provide us with a comment below. And don't forget, hit like and subscribe.